Now, while the world is now enraged at the death of African-American George Floyd's murder in police custody, a similar shocking image of police brutality has emerged closer home. You can see in these visuals on this man's neck. The cop can be seen punching the man while he has been pinned down, while two other police officers held the young man's legs. A huge crowd even gathered when the scuffle broke out. And according to the cops, the man was not wearing a mask. And when the cops accosted him, he tried to flee. This also led to a scuffle eventually. The man also threw punches at the cops. A case has now been filed with this regard. Quite an unfortunate case of police brutality there coming to light. And the reason was the man not wearing the mask. Here we're looking at police officers kneeling on the neck of this man. Something on the lines of what we saw in the United States, where the African-American man lost his life and a huge outrage broke out. Still protests there carrying on across of the United States, while at the same time closer home we see a similar incident.
पुलिस थाना प्रतापनगर द्वारा लॉकडाउन उल्लंघन वालों के खिलाफ कार्रवाई की जा रही थी। इसी दरमियान आज दोपहर के वक्त पुलिस थाना प्रतापनगर के पुलिस कर्मियों के साथ एक शख्स ने झगड़ा किया, उनसे उलझा, उनकी नेम प्लेट तोड़ दी और वर्दी फाड़ दी और मारपीट करी, जिस पर श्री मुकेश कुमार पुत्र महादेव, जाति प्रजापति, उम्र 40 वर्ष, बलदेव नगर मसूरिया, ये शख्स है जिसने ये कृत्य किया है। ये शख्स अग्रेसिव प्रकृति का है। तो शख्स को हिरासत में लिया गया है और मुकदमा दर्ज कर कार्रवाई की गई।
Let's quickly go over to Dev Ankur joining us live for more details on this. Dev, we're looking at visuals here very similar to the lines of what we saw in the United States, where the African-American man was literally murdered at the hands of the police there. Similar images coming to light in Jodhpur, Rajasthan, where these police officers kneel down on the man's neck. And the reason for this punishment was because the man wasn't wearing a mask. Take us through the details.
Well, Nabila, clearly these images evoke the kind of scenes that were witnessed in the case of George Floyd, the incident that happened in America. But this particular incident happened yesterday afternoon in Rajasthan's Jodhpur. This man was traveling and he was not wearing a mask. The man claims that the mask was on his neck, that he was not wearing it for some time, but the police, when he was told that he will have to pay a challan, a fine amount for not wearing a mask, that is when the things got really ugly out there. In fact, this man got into a fisticuff initially with one of the police personnel, and later on another police personnel also joined in, and both of them started beating him up, started pulling him up in one particular direction, and later one of the policemen pressed his knee against the neck of this person, which could have turned fatal. Fortunately, that did not happen. Later on, this man has been booked under various sections, including that of preventing government officials from working or carrying out their duty. Now, the police personnel, on the other hand, Nabila, have not been booked under any case whatsoever for indulging in physical manhandling of this person, for beating this person up badly. This person has been sent, as per latest information, into judicial custody for 15 days. Nabila?
Right, here we're looking at quite some gory visuals there, something on the lines of what we saw in the United States. The African-American man in the United States lost his life. Here, thankfully, the man has survived, but nonetheless, no action taken against these cops for atrocities that they've meted out at this man who was not wearing a mask. That's why he received this kind of treatment. Dev, thank you very much for joining us with those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.